It's 3 o'clock on July 2nd. Something is ablazing. I don't know what it is. There was a big boom. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. Turn the air filters on. Schaefer. That's one of the Rouge plant. I think I believe that's the Rouge plant.
What is it?
The Rouge plant.
Oh my God!
Something. There was a big boom.
Yeah.
Something is blazing. I mean, it sounds like engine jets. Because that's where, if we go in that direction,
yeah,
down
where it splits.
Here we are, blazing. Can't even see. Dear Lord Jesus, oh Lord, pray for them firemen. Protect them firemen, Lord, protect the houses in between there.
It really was,
right
yeah,
here.
dude. I live right over there.
It took me an hour to grab my two cats out from under the bed. I put them in
Yellow.
Yeah.
We're like, all right, wherever that is, that's where we're going.
Yeah.
That's we've been driving for like an hour.
Really?
That's insane, dude.
Then they drove
like
around
that.
saying mandatory evacuation. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, right.
You could feel the heat here.
Yeah, you could feel the heat on my porch.
I mean,
dude, we've seen it from where we were.
yeah. I mean, I was down 2 miles away, and I could see the thing looked like it was. Yeah, I mean, it was like a 4th of July.
Spread to your house? Yeah, I was too.